All right, why is everyone buying this ANDERY car phone holder? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon right now. Everyone's buying it. It's selling over 10,000 units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. I think it's been rated over 17,000 times, and I believe when I just checked it, I believe it was 4.5 stars. That is unheard of. For me, if a product has above a 4.0, I feel good about it. If it's at like 4.2, 4.3, especially if it has, I mean, if it has just a few hundred reviews, 4.3, I feel over the wall confident. 17,000 reviews, 4.5, you know this is a good product. You're not going to have to return it. You're going to love it. Everyone else loves it. So the reason, because it is quality, gets the job done, very easy to use. So this is the spot where you're going to connect your phone. I'll show you in just a second with it on the dashboard, but it's Magsafe, so it connects right to the phone right there. And as you put this part, you can either put it on the dashboard, you can connect it to the window, whatever you want to do. And then it adjusts this way, the arm of it, like that. And this also adjusts, so you can adjust the angle of your phone. So let's go ahead and we'll do it. And here we go. We're all set up and ready to go. Very easy setup. Just stick it on. You're ready to go. So, dude, this is a great product. Very easy to use. Highly recommend.